Oh yeah, it's like practically melted it.
It's everywhere. I mean, it's white. Even though it's a lot warmer there.
He got one.
He caught one? March 4th. We need to get him some snow-proof gloves. Rob! Come here! Rob, here! Rob, here! Rob, here, look! Rob! Rob, here! Rob, here! Here!
It's like, I'm out of here, man.
Oh. Good boy.
I'm going to.
You gonna do it?
He got one.
He ate it. Don't touch the yellow snow. That's pee-pee.
Oh.
Go like this. Watch. Are your hands cold?
Yeah.
Whoa.
He got one. He got one. Oh.
Hey, Buster! We're gonna do too. Ready?
Yeah.
Robbie, Rob, do you not like the snow? Oh, there's